This instructional video is going to walk you through the steps of how to submit your Google site. In the past, we've submitted different assignments via Google Docs or Google Slides, but this time you will be actually submitting your Google site link to one of the Google Forms that I have back on Canvas. So once your Google site project is the way that you and your group members want it, you have all the requirements, and you feel like your hygiene project is completed, then you are going to follow these steps to submit your project. Make sure that you have your group members' names. Where I have my name, you can see up here in the top left-hand corner, it says Coach Gentry's Hygiene Site. Make sure you have something like that with your names. That way, when I pull up your site, I know exactly whose website it is. You can also have your website names in this box right here, so it would be good to put your names and hygiene project. That way, when your website is published, that's the first thing people are going to see up in the left-hand corner. So you can see I've got Gentry's Hygiene Project. So when I publish it, that's the first thing that people will see on my website. So once everything is updated, you're going to click Publish, and you'll want to click Publish every time you update your site. So if you go back and make any changes, always hit this blue Publish button. That way I get the latest version or the most updated version of your website. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and hit Publish, and it's going to say that it is publishing, and then once that screen goes away, your website is updated. Now, the very first time you publish it, it's going to probably ask you what you want your website to be called. Just go ahead and make sure that if you have something here in this box, that is what it's going to title it. So that you'll see that pop up the very first time you publish. So once it's updated, then we are going to go to this published link. See, it looks like a little paperclip, and you see it says copy published site link. We're going to click on that. And when you click on that, you're going to see your website address. Make sure that your page is on the home page before you click copy publish site link. That way, when you submit your link, I will get the link that will take me directly to your home page. All right, that's where we want our viewers, the people that are going to be viewing our website, especially Coach Gentry. We want him to be able to see the home page first. And you'll notice that the last word in your website says home. And that's how you know you've done it correctly. So we're going to hit this copy link. And now we've copied our link to our clipboard. We're going to go back to Canvas. And then we're going to go all the way to the bottom of the canvas where it says the Google form, fill out the Google form. We're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to your hygiene website submission Google form. And we've done this in the past. So students, you already know how to do this if you've been submitting your work through electronically. So we'll put our names. We'll click what period we're in. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just paste that link. You can hit Control V, and now it has published, or it has pasted my hygiene website. And you can see the last part of the link says home. And that's how you know that you are going to get the home page when someone clicks on the link. I also have another video that will show you how to do that, but if you watch this video, it should cover everything you need for submitting your published Google site. All right. Make sure you hit this submit button. That way I get your link and I can grade your project.